Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can reinstall a network wireless adapter driver in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. So without further ado, let's get started. And the very first thing we need to do is to go to the device manager, and we can do that by simply making a right click here in our Windows icon and then go to device manager options. And the moment you click on that, you will see a new device manager window coming up on your screen. So here we need to look for the network adapters. So once you see that, please click on this arrow here to expand the network adapters, and let's look for an option that says wireless. The moment you found it, please make a click on that, and then here all we need to do is just click on the uninstall device. And in here, once you click the uninstall device option, you will see the uninstall device window here coming up. So this says here that warning, you are about to uninstall this device from your system. Now please make sure that the option that says attempt to remove the driver from this device is checked or selected. So note, driver may not be removed if it is still in use by other devices. So please make sure that this driver is not used. So use the devices by driver view to manage drivers separately. Okay, so once you check this or you selected this, you can now click on uninstall. And then after doing that, the option here, the wireless option here, will now be removed from this section, and all we need to do is just go to the action tab, and in here we need to click for scan for hardware changes. And then the moment you do that, you will see again the wireless option here under network adapters. And after doing that, just make a quick restart with your device, and then you're good to go. Okay, so that's it. That's a very short process, so I hope you followed it accordingly, and I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.